When do you come here? When do you go back? When do you get up? When do you come here? When do you take your break fast? When do you take lunch? When do you take dinner? When do you take supper? When do you go to school? When do you take rest? When do you take bath? When do you read? When do you go to market? When do you go to temple? When do you read the newspaper? When do you go to library? When do you meet with your friend? When does your father go to office? When does your father return from office? When does your mother prepare tea? When does your mother cook food? Thank you.